Hey guys, Ben here, coming at you from Windsor, Ontario, Canada, with another video about what to buy and sell on your local market. And by local market, I mean Facebook groups, Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, Craigslist, stuff like that. I'm videotaping the fence here, that doesn't matter. But anyway, today we have these plastic skateboard ramps. These are durable plastic. They're no joke. They got these on the bottom, this good stoppers. You can tell there's not much use from them by how how little this is worn. Very light use. Gotta be honest, I forgot how much I paid for these. Hopefully just $10. And I listed them for 40 bucks. I'd take 30, take 25. I don't know if I'd take 20. These are in good condition. They're not cheap new. Say for one of these, probably at least 15, 20 bucks. 20 bucks maybe new. This is a whole set. I believe all those screw tops at the tops of these ramps, these screw holes were meant to connect a pyramid, but there's no pyramid with them. And you can get these at the garage sales, thrift stores. You'll run into them. Kids outgrow them. They have to work now. They're not trying to hurt themselves when they're teenagers. You gotta get rid of them. They take up space. So when you see them, just check to make sure there's no cracks, because that's just the main thing. Just you can step on them for the most part, unless you're like, I'd say don't do that if you're like 180 or up. These aren't meant to stand too much, but it should hold you. But make sure there's no cracks. They're not too beat up. They can still be beat up though, and they're fine as long as they're structurally fine. And that's really what you want to look out for, you know. It's not much to see here. It's just a ramp. Make sure there's nothing's busted up. There's no cracks, you know. You can see being that these are nicer, you know you can pay a little more. And yeah, you only want to pay a couple bucks per ramp. $5 a ramp. Nice ones. At the most. You know, you don't even want to pay that. For ones these small at least. For ones bigger and better, yeah, these are only 7 inches tall. It's not very big. Very beginner, very youth, you know, so there's bigger ones out there. I'm just going to dump these obviously on the Facebook Marketplace, Facebook groups. Kijiji's just becoming slower and slower, and Facebook's where it's at. It's got to be honest here. So these are on Kijiji for a while. Just moving them right over onto Facebook. Get rid of them. I'm gonna get right rid of them. So, yeah. We'll get 40 bucks, maybe 30. These are just nice, but I'll settle for like 25. You know, I don't think I paid more than 10 bucks for all these. It was a while ago, but they're nice. And yeah, when I listed them, I just took a nice, neat picture like that, showing the sides, the fronts. One of it straight on from the side, upside down, up close, the pads on the bottom, showing the quality of the ramp and how little of use it has. And then took pictures of the other ramps up close, just showing, just, you know, there's no cracks. And they're pretty self-explanatory. So, I don't think I'd separate these if someone just wanted one, but who knows? Yeah, and that's about it. I've never actually sold these on the local market before. So we're just kind of seeing here, but I'm telling you, they're gonna go. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I've been when these items sell, I've been commenting the day they sell for how much they sold for, and I pin the comment on top, so you see kind of how long from when I talked about it, you know, when I listed it, when I said I listed it, or if I listed it that day when I am making the video of said item, and you kind of see how long it takes for it to go and how much it went for. So just look out for that in the comments. Alright, this is Ben. Peace.